औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम पेडागोजी के एमसीक्यूज़ करने जा रहे हैं जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है और हर एक टेस्ट में आते रहते हैं। तो वीडियो को ज़रा भी स्किप ना करें और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे न्यू है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। बेसिक पेडागोजी। Pada means child, goji means study, means the study of child is called pedagogy. Question number 1. The word pedagogy means to lead the child. Question number 2. Pedagogy is the study of teaching method. Question number 3. Joseph Mayer Rice is considered as father of research in teaching. This MCQs is important for the upcoming test of Etea. Question number 4. Joseph Mayer Rice was a great classroom observer. Question number 5. Pedagogy is a joint activity in which the learner has an active role. Question number 6. Andragogy means teaching of adults. Pedagogy, teaching of child. Andragogy, teaching of adults. Question number 7. The primary task of the teacher is to stimulate and guide student learning. Question number 8. Most important work of teacher is to organize teaching work. That is the most important work of teacher, to organize teaching work. Question number 9. Personality and ability to relate to the class is the most important factor underlying the success of beginning teacher. The success of beginning teacher is the personality and ability to relate to the class. Question number 10. Heutagogy is self-determinant learning. Study of self-determined. Question number 11. Learners are inquiry-driven, take long-term view of their learning, seeking further complexity and uncertainty. That is called heutagogy. Now, pedagogy. Question number 12. Pedagogy focusing on co-learning and co-creating. Question number 13. Encourage learner engagement in an online environment is called cybergogy. Online, cybergogy, study of online. Online study is called cybergogy. Question number 14. A scoring guide used to evaluate the quality of student is called rubrics. Remember, it is important for the MCQs. Question number 15. Education according to John Dewey is learning to do by doing. Remember, according to John Dewey, education is learning to do by doing. Question number 16. According to John Dewey, schools must prepare students for present life. Question number 17. According to John Dewey, educational process has two sides, psychological and sociological. Question number 18. Which of the following is dimensional teaching aid? That is model. Question number 19. According to John Locke, a child's mind does not contain any innate ideas. According to John Locke. Question number 20. A posterior knowledge is the knowledge that is known independently of experiences. Remember. Question number 21. Who said that man is a social animal? Aristotle. Aristotle was the first man to tell that the importance of sports in education. Question number 22. The use of technology to enhance learning process is called ICT. How to test IQ? Intelligence quotient. IQ is equal to mental age divided by chronological age. ये वो एज है जो आपकी अपनी रियल एज है एंड मेंटल एज जो आपकी मेंटेलिटी के मुताबिक आपकी जो एज है और मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. सो दैट इज इंटेलिजेंट क्वोशंट. Question number 23. Socrates, a scientist, he said that education is the process of discovering the principles of truth, beauty and good habits. Remember this point. Question number 24. The chief source for the accomplishment of the aim of education is curriculum. Now, education. The word education is derived from Latin words educere, educare and educatum. यहाँ पे ई का फर्क है, यहाँ पे ए है and it is educatum. Educare means to nourish and to bring up. Educere means to lead, froth, to draw out. Remember these definitions. And educatum में two words है e do को. E का मतलब है movement from inward to out, while do को means developing. Now, learning is an informal process and education is a formal process. Types of education. There are three types of education, that is formal education, non-formal education and informal education. Formal education is the education that takes place in the premises of schools, where person learn basic and academic skills. It begins in elementary and then it continues with secondary school. While informal education is that education that takes place in family or groups. It is natural and long life. And non-formal education is the education of adult, that is the basic education or literacy education. Question number 25. Distance and online education is a part of formal learning. Informal is a lifelong process in a natural way. Question number 27. Swimming and sports program are non-formal learning. Question number 28. If a person standing in a bank learns about opening and maintain the account at the bank is non-formal learning. Question number 29. Process of living is called informal learning. Question number 30. Mosque and church are the institution of non-formal learning. Non-formal learning, remember that. Social psychology deals with behavior and experience in social situations. Education psychology is an applied branch of psychology. Education psychology is an applied branch of psychology. Question number 33. Industrial psychology is applied psychology. Question number 34. Alfred Binet is the psychologist who constructed the first intelligence test. Remember, first intelligence test किसने बनाया था? That is Alfred Binet. Question number 35. Comparative psychology deals with the study of animal behavior. That is comparative साइकोलॉजी साइकोलॉजी के बहुत सारे टाइप्स है, दैट इज कंपैरेटिव साइकोलॉजी, इंडस्ट्रियल साइकोलॉजी, एजुकेशनल साइकोलॉजी. Question number 36. To study abnormal psychology means to study mainly the nature of unconscious level of mind, जो abnormal psychology होती है. 37. Peel is the scientist who defined education. Psychology is the science of education. Question number 38. Skinner is the scientist who defined educational psychology deals with teaching and learning. Question number 39. Pestalozzi, ये भी एक scientist है, is the father of educational psychology. Question number 40. You have to learn all these MCQs. Question number 40. Wundt is the father of experimental psychology. Leipzig is the place where first experimental psychology laboratory set up. Question number 42. Margaret Fly Washburn, ये एक woman थी, first woman थी, who was awarded PhD in psychology. Question number 43. The first psychology course offered by William James. ये आपको सारे points याद करने हैं. Question number 44. The oldest method in psychology is introspection. Question number 45. The first book of psychology was written by William James in 1895 और उस book का नाम था Principles of Psychology, William James in 1895.